In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a view on Monday.com. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, we want to start by logging into Monday.com. Open your web browser and type in Monday.com to navigate to the website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard page, which provides a comprehensive overview of all your projects and boards. If you're in an organization that uses multiple boards, it's crucial to know exactly which board you want to work with. Now, the next thing you need to do is locate the specific board you want to add a view to. Boards on Monday.com are customizable workspaces where you can manage tasks and visualize your team's progress. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a list of all available boards. Click on the board you're interested in. This should take you directly to that board's main page, where you'll see columns, tasks, and all the relevant project information displayed. Once you're in the correct board, look for the plus sign, usually located at the top of the board next to the existing views. This little icon is your gateway to enhancing how you view and manage your information on the board. Clicking the plus sign will bring up a menu that offers various view options you can choose from. Next, you'll select the view you want to add. Monday.com provides a range of view options like Kanban, calendar, charts, and more, depending on how you want to organize and visualize your data. For instance, if you're someone who loves seeing tasks move through phases, the Kanban view might be right for you. Or, if you need to keep track of deadlines, a calendar view could be more beneficial. Whatever view you choose, simply click on it and it will be added to your board, offering a fresh perspective and boosting your productivity. And there you have it. You've successfully added a view to your board in Monday.com. This simple process not only helps you tailor the platform to suit your needs, but also ensures your workflow is as efficient and effective as possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to explore other features Monday.com has to offer, and don't hesitate to customize further to improve your team's collaboration and output. Thank you for joining us in today's tutorial. Keep experimenting and finding new ways to make Monday.com work best for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides that help make your workday a breeze. See you in the next video.